Hey guys, Cam here from Pocket-lint, and I have this. This is the OnePlus Watch, the company's very first smartwatch, and it's here, so let's unbox it. And while you're here, if you like this video, if you could hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and tap the notification bell to get updates whenever I upload new stuff, that would be practically perfect. Anyone who's unboxed a smartphone from OnePlus from the past couple of years will recognise this box. It's bright red with bold black text, classic OnePlus. Now once we finally get the plastic film off, we can get inside the box, and the first thing waiting on top is the watch itself. But we'll put that to one side for now. Underneath that is its cradle, which you need to lift to get to what lies beneath. So first up is the cardboard sleeve containing the paperwork. That includes safety and warranty information, plus a quick start guide in multiple languages. Stashing that away, the only other thing in the box is the charging cradle. It has a regular USB-A connector on one side, and then the cradle itself, which features two gold contact points. And that tells us the watch doesn't use wireless charging, but rather will charge by these two pins lining up with the contact points on the underside of the watch. Now, because of an embargo, we can't show you too much of the watch's interface or talk too much about the software in depth, but I can give you my first impressions of the design. Now, it's safe to say the watch isn't really made for smaller wrists, but don't let that fool you into thinking it's really big. It's a pretty standard 46mm case, making it virtually identical in size to the Huawei Watch GT2e and 2 Pro. It features two buttons on the side, both really slimline, and the top button features OnePlus's branding. The case itself is rounded at the edges, and this particular model is the Midnight Black. But there's also a Moonlight Silver and a limited edition Cobalt version. Now the good news here is that its case is made from 316L stainless steel and is water resistant up to 50 meters and features IP68 water and dust resistance. Now one of the big talking points when this watch was first announced is that it's not running Wear OS, but rather uses OnePlus's own smartwatch platform. That means OnePlus has managed to give it 14-day battery life, but we'll need to test it further to see what the real-life usage is like. Looking through the feature list, it seems to offer all the basics in terms of fitness and activity tracking. It has accelerometers and gyroscopes for motion detection, plus optical heart rate and blood oxygen saturation sensors, as well as GPS for tracking your location. Plus you can use the speaker and mics to accept calls on your wrist from a connected smartphone. The screen on the front is a 1.39-inch completely round AMOLED panel with a respectable 454 by 454 resolution, which should mean it's sharp enough for pretty much everyone. Plus, it's a touchscreen. The classic model here ships with this flexible fluoroelastomer strap, which seems really soft and easy to manage on first impressions. So there you have it, that's all we can tell you for now, but we'll be bringing you much more in-depth coverage in the near future. I've been Cam, I'm at Cam Bunton on social media. You can find me on there, ask me questions if you want to, or use the comments down below. Again, if you did like this video, please do hit that thumbs up, it really does help us a lot. Subscribe and tap the notification bell to make sure you don't miss any more of our videos. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.